When it comes to smoked chicken, barbecue can get ridiculous. Do you inject it? Do you brine it? Should you marinate it? Do you need to baste it? When do you flip it? Relax, it's just barbecue. There's so much advice, but there's only really a couple things that you need to do. If you trust the process, chicken becomes one of the easiest things to smoke. Now for this whole chicken, you could throw it in the smoker, but it's really not gonna get that smoke flavor on the inside. So let's go ahead and split it open. This is really the biggest key, is being able to use some scissors and just cut along the backbone on each side. Now doing this is gonna allow not only for the smoke and the airflow to get on the inside of the chicken, it'll reduce the cooking time, plus it's just easier to portion at the end. I'm not using any kind of fancy scissors, these are just regular old kitchen shears. Now that the backbone's removed, I like to take the scissors and just do a little snip on the breastbone here. That helps to make sure that it's actually gonna snap in the middle. I'll flip it over. You've got the breast here. Just push it down. There you go. Now for seasoning, just apply seasoning. You just need to apply it on both sides pretty generously. You can see I'm just seasoning the bird. You don't need oil or tallow or anything else like that. You can do this ahead of time, a couple hours, even up to overnight if it helps you out. Now these chickens can be pretty big depending on your smoker. If you find that it's too big, just take a knife and cut right down the middle. I do this more often than not, gives me a lot of flexibility inside the grill. With the chicken ready to go, get your grill preheated to around 325 to 350. The only other tool you'll need is some kind of trusty meat thermometer. Once your smoker or grill is warmed up, go ahead and place the chicken inside. You're not gonna need to check on this for a little over an hour. Typically, whole chickens take about 90 minutes. When it's time to check on the chicken, get your meat thermometer. The target temperature for the breast needs to be about 160 in the thickest part. Don't worry, you're not undercooking the chicken. It will raise to that 165 while it's resting. The dark meat cooks faster, so that's ready to go. At this point, you can remove it and rest. Now at this point, if you're gonna pull the chicken, you could go ahead and cover it with some plastic wrap and let it rest. Makes it easier to shred, or you can just leave it as is and portion it out. I hope this is helpful. Just to recap, split the chicken, cook until the breast reaches about 160, 165, takes about 90 minutes or so, and you're done. Now I'm gonna shred all this and make a bunch of meals. What would you guys make? I don't know about you guys, but I always keep the wings for myself.